What's the most important role in a construction project that almost nobody understands? The project manager. A project manager, or PM, is the brain of the operation. They plan, organize, and supervise the entire project, from the first sketch to the final handover. Think of them as the captain of the ship, making sure everything is on time, within budgets and built exactly as planned. Their key jobs: creating the schedule, coordinating architects and engineers, managing the budget, and ensuring quality and safety on site. For you, the homeowner, the PM is your trusted representative, making sure your vision comes to life even when you're not around. There are different types. Like architectural PM is focused on design, or an owner's PM hired specifically to protect your interests. Why do you need one? To avoid costly mistakes, delays, and the headaches that come with them. Trust me, not having a PM can end up costing you a lot more in the long run. Thanks for watching. If this helped clear things up, please like, share, and subscribe for more real estate See ya in the next one.